In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between QuickBooks and Xero. By the end, you'll understand what each platform does best and how to match those strengths to your business needs. Let's start with Xero. At its core, Xero is cloud-based accounting software designed with small businesses in mind. That means a clean, approachable interface, simple setup, and workflows that make everyday tasks feel lighter. Things like reconciling bank feeds, sending invoices, and tracking expenses. Because it's built for the cloud, your books stay in sync across devices, and your team can jump in from anywhere without worrying about installs or version control. A standout benefit is that Xero includes unlimited users on any plan. If your operations involve multiple people, owners, managers, a bookkeeper, and an external accountant, you won't have to juggle seat counts. You can invite everyone who needs access and control what they see with user permissions. This is especially useful as you grow or when seasonal help joins because you won't hit a wall on collaboration. Xero also connects to 1,000 plus business apps. That broad marketplace helps you automate tasks and avoid double entry. Think payments syncing to invoices, sales pulling in from your online store, or time entries flowing into bills. If integrations are central to your workflow, check that your must-have tools connect smoothly. Strong integrations can save hours every month. Now, let's look at QuickBooks. QuickBooks offers a comprehensive suite of accounting tools. Beyond the basics, it can handle more advanced needs like detailed reporting, job or project tracking, inventory management, and deeper customization. If your business requires robust controls or plans to scale into more complex accounting, that breadth can be a major advantage. It's also trusted by millions of small businesses worldwide. That wide adoption translates into a large community of accountants and bookkeepers who already know the system, making it easier to get expert help and standardized processes. Many banks and services are optimized to work with QuickBooks, which can simplify setup. QuickBooks provides robust live support and tutorials. If you value guided onboarding, step-by-step lessons, and help when you're stuck, the support ecosystem is a clear plus. Use those resources early. Following official tutorials can help you build clean habits and avoid messy fixes later. To choose confidently, map your needs to these strengths. If you prioritize unlimited users, simple collaboration, and a vast app marketplace, Xero is compelling. If you want a feature-rich toolkit, a large expert community, and hands-on support, QuickBooks shines. When possible, test both with a short trial, connect a bank feed, create an invoice, and reconcile a few transactions. Pick the one that feels intuitive for your daily workflow and confirms the features you'll rely on as you grow.